In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add language in Upwork. We'll start right from a blank browser. Open your preferred web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Upwork, then press Enter. From the results, click the official Upwork website. You'll know it's the right one if it shows the Upwork logo and a secure connection. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to log in so you can access your profile and make changes. Once you're in, look to the upper right corner of the page and click your profile photo or initials. In the menu that appears, choose your profile to open your freelancer profile. This is where clients see your skills, work history, and, importantly for today, your listed languages. On your profile page, locate the Languages section. This area lists any languages you've already added. To include a new one, click the plus icon next to Languages. That opens the Add Language window where you'll make your selections. In the search field, begin typing the language you want to add, then select it from the suggestions. Next, set your proficiency level. Upwork gives you 4 choices: basic, conversational, fluent, and native or bilingual. Basic means you can handle very simple phrases and common terms. Conversational means you can discuss everyday topics with some ease. Fluent means you can work comfortably and professionally in that language, including reading and writing. Native or bilingual is reserved for full mastery. Either it's your first language, or you're equally proficient as a native speaker. Choose the option that best reflects your real ability. Accuracy matters here. Clients often filter for specific language levels, and they may test your skills during interviews or on trial tasks. Picking the right level helps you show up in the right searches and sets clear expectations for communication on a project. When you're satisfied with your selection, click Save. Upwork will add the language to your profile immediately, and you'll see it listed in the Languages section. If you want to add another language, just repeat the same process. Click the plus icon, search for the language, pick the appropriate proficiency level, and save. A quick tip: if the plus icon doesn't appear right away, refresh the page and make sure you're viewing your freelancer profile. Also, consider the specific variant if it applies. Choosing the correct language version helps clients in that market find you more easily. And that's it. You've just learned how to add a language in Upwork, from finding the site to saving your proficiency. Keep this section up to date, and you'll improve how often you show up in client searches. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.